So the last few weeks, I've been spending a lot of time working on my M1 ProDrag package. It's a collaboration between ProSpeed, Autosports, and VitTune. Vit's been helping me with a lot of the actual programming. So what we have here, this is a bench test of a new wheelie control strategy that we've been working on. We've got a race grade IMU here, which is a 6-axis accelerometer / gyro, and we're using the data coming in from this IMU to determine the pitch angle of the vehicle. With that information, we're able to reduce power using ignition timing and cylinder cuts to try and maintain a maximum pitch angle. Now there's actually two modes. There's a what I call pitch and hold, which will basically allow it to lift the front tires to a certain point and then we'll hold it there basically until it settles on its own. And then we have a pitch and decay mode, which is it will get to that maximum point and then it will actually continue to pull power to lower the front down back to the ground basically, and then gradually ramp the power back in. It's all theoretical right now. We're still kind of testing. We'll probably have it at some point where the pitch and hold is like default and then you hit a button like a driver input to switch to decay. So that way, like if the car's wheeling but it's going straight, you really don't, it's not a big deal, just ride it out. But if it wheelies and the car starts to turn left or right slightly, you know, at a reasonable rate, you can hit the button and it'll set the tires back down so you can control it. The idea is to have a very controlled, smooth reaction to a wheelie instead of the, you know, pedal the car, try to drop it, try to recover, you know, in and out of the throttle, whatever, all this crazy stuff that people are doing nowadays. So just to kind of demonstrate how it works, I have to kind of move this thing and pitch it at an angle. But you'll see as the pitch increases, the ignition will retard and you'll see the cylinder cut percent increase. You can see there in the log, pitch went up, timing came out, cylinder cuts went up. And obviously the harder you do it, the more it pulls out. You can see right there, if I do it really, really hard, a really drastic pitch, it goes -24 and 75% cut. I could set that to 100 or -50 or whatever I want. But right now it's just theoretical. The logic is functioning properly. This is just a bench test, so we'll be testing this in the car this weekend and we'll see how well it actually works in the real world.